Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika Hub. Today I have a new project for you in Tunisian crocheting, so let's get started. Today I'm going to show you the base stitch or the base pattern in Tunisian crocheting, because I know there are always questions for beginners or from beginners. When they get started, they never know if they should do an extra stitch at the beginning or just at the end of each row. And I have to say, I did also get started with doing an extra chain at the beginning as well, but in the meantime I actually stopped doing that. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. I'm just going to do a couple of chains here so that we can get started. So here we're going to do a chain. So that's the only way we can get enough room here to do extra stitches after that. And then we're just starting with the new stitches as we always would in Tunisian crocheting. And now that we're at the end of our row, we do want an extra stitch here to go back. So this is where we do want an extra stitch, an extra chain. And then we just go back. And now instead of doing a chain, we're starting right away from these side sections and we're starting new stitches out of there. Here at the end, of course, the extra chain, and then we just go back. So that's how we're going to keep repeating the beginning and the end for each row. And that's how you get the typical Tunisian crocheting or knooking pattern and structure. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye!